Welcome to Oak Island, and I'm Cris Young on the air. I am asked constantly, especially in these challenging times with COVID-19 consuming all of our thoughts, how can we assist in staying more safe within our home? Well, the first time the Surgeon General spoke, the first thing he said was the virus does not do well or survive in ultraviolet light. And if any way possible, get yourself an ultraviolet light air purifier. We are providing this type of purifier constantly. With every new system we install, we're including this free of charge. This particular ultraviolet light air purifier by Dust Free gets rid of pathogens, bacteria, viruses, mildew, helps fight mold growth. This goes in your system, in your airway, so 100% of the air that's recirculated in your home is purified, is taken care of by this product. So if you're thinking about ways to enhance your system for comfort and for safety, consider an ultraviolet light air purifier.
You can call Oak Island.